Hello everyone, Shravan Manthri here. Welcome to our channel CSE GURUS. In Hackerrank problem solving, we are solving the questions from the subdomain warm-up. We have done with compared the triplets. We'll go to the very big sum. Next, you can find the link of this question in the description given below. In the problem statement, it is asking sum of elements in an array, but it's a very big sum, which means it might go beyond integer. If you clearly observe, it returns long. That means sum of array elements, which must be the long integer. So here also it is given, you are required to calculate and print the sum of the elements in an array, keeping in mind that some of those integers may be quite large. Even if you take some test cases, you can see the 5 values, how large it is. You can see here the AR of I, the value inside it might go 10 power 10. If it is up to 10 power 9, which is actually 2 into 10 power 9, which is integer. So if it is going beyond that, that means you must think about the data type, which must be taken above integers. We will see the code in C language. Here header files are given and we are searching for the method. Yes, here long, which means you must return the long integer, and you have to take an array which is a long integer values and AR underscore count, which is a size of the array. So here initially we have taken sum is initialized to 0. But anyway, it must be the long integer. Integer is not sufficient because it is given values are long integers. That's why the sum definitely will go beyond the integer. That's why it's a long integer. So for I equals 0, each time you are going to take the element, and what is AR of I? Like this, each element you have to take and make it sum. So same like the first question which is in the Hackerrank, which is simple array sum. But here we have to take, instead of integer, you must take it as long integer. And anyway, I have taken int I because here you can say AR underscore count, the number of elements are integer. So that's why I have taken integer. If it is also going beyond the integer, then you must take it as long integer I, either long or long int, both are same. Finally, this for loop is done. You have to return the sum. That's it, and I'll run the code. Yeah, success. Submit the code. So 2 test cases which are there are passed. So you have written the code perfect. And also I recommend you to watch the top 90 data structure MCQs, and here I kept totally 18 videos, which is of 5 MCQs each video. Even I kept all those 90 questions as a single video, that is top 90 data structures MCQs. You can watch this one also, which is almost 4 hours. You can see each one, you can either go for playlist or you can watch it as a single video. We are done with a very big sum. We'll see the next question, diagonal difference, in the next video lecture. Thank you.